Welcome, your ultimate source for everything related to automotive technology. Join us as we explore the latest car gadgets and accessories born from innovation and engineering brilliance. Retractable bed step. The retractable bed step is a practical tool for pickup truck owners, providing effortless access to the truck bed. With just a light foot press, it extends 5 inches, removing the need for any levers or fasteners. Built with a cast aluminum alloy platform, it can support up to 330 pounds and features an anti-slip surface for extra safety. Installation is simple, requiring no drilling or welding, as all mounting bolts are included.
Tent Box Light Rooftop Tent.
The Tent Box Light rooftop tent is a compact, all-season camping setup that fits securely on most vehicles. It folds down neatly when not in use and opens fully in only 30 seconds. Spacious enough for 3 people, it offers year-round comfort with water resistance and insulation from both heat and cold. A 5-centimeter thick double-layer mattress adds luxury, while a foldable ladder with spring brackets ensures easy access. Optional outer protection provides added weather defense, and built-in mosquito nets keep insects out. Solar panel. The Lenson solar panel delivers powerful energy efficiency in a lightweight, durable body. Weighing just 4.4 pounds and measuring 41.8 by 21.2 inches, it produces up to 100 watts at 12 volts. Designed for long journeys, it can be mounted on a vehicle roof to continuously charge while driving or parked. Its flexible construction uses high-grade monocrystalline cells for 23.5% more energy output, and a special EPFT film guards against moisture, scratches, and UV rays. With a 3mm thin profile, installation is quick with adhesives or Velcro, and multiple panels can be connected for higher output. MagnaRack M1 Fishing Rod Case. The MagnaRack M1 is the perfect storage companion for fishing enthusiasts on the move. Capable of securely holding up to 3 rods with reels, it uses strong nylon straps and Velcro fasteners. Its magnetic rooftop mount holds firm even at high speeds, while the built-in lock and metal latches prevent theft. The aerodynamic design minimizes drag, maintaining smooth airflow while traveling. Will Hercules Tow Lift. The Will Hercules system turns any pickup into a fully functional tow truck. Compact and nearly invisible when not in use, it features a hydraulic lift operated remotely from inside the vehicle. This system can lift up to 4,000 pounds and tow up to 8,000 pounds, completing the process in just 38 seconds. When folded, it doubles as a rear step platform, adding both functionality and convenience. Plum Case for Land Rover Defender. The Plum Case is a rugged, rear-mounted storage box for Land Rover Defender models. Lightweight yet corrosion-resistant, it offers a safe and easily accessible place to store essential items like tow ropes, fire extinguishers, or small tools. Its innovative mounting system allows quick installation without the need for special tools. Pittsburgh Ramp Kit. The Pittsburgh Ramp Kit makes lifting small vehicles and trucks simple and safe. The 2 heavy-duty plastic ramps each support up to 4,000 pounds while weighing only 8.7 pounds. Featuring wide anti-slip platforms with drainage grooves, they lift vehicles by 6.3 inches. Safer and more convenient than traditional jacks, these ramps are ideal for maintenance and inspection. Griot's Garage Foam Blower. The Griot's Garage Foam Blower delivers dense, full-coverage foam for efficient car cleaning. Powered by a 7.2-volt, 2600 milliamp battery, it offers up to 60 minutes of operation per charge. A color indicator displays battery status, and interchangeable nozzle tips provide flexibility for different cleaning tasks. The comfortable pistol grip handle and adjustable spray control make every wash effective and effortless. Gecko Grip Tool Tray. The Gecko Grip is a compact, flexible tool tray ideal for tight spaces. Measuring 10.5 by 5.5 by 1 inch, it sticks securely to most surfaces at any angle. Its divided sections keep tools organized, while its scratch-resistant, heat-resistant material endures temperatures up to 390 degrees. Resistant to chemicals, UV rays, and oils, it ensures long-lasting performance in any workshop. Rough Country Roof Rack. The Rough Country Roof Rack adds extra cargo capacity to pickup trucks, supporting up to 250 pounds. Made from stainless steel with a powder-coated finish, it resists corrosion and vibration. Rubber pads reduce noise, while built-in tie-down holes keep loads secure. It's easy to install without drilling and supports lighting accessories such as a 40-inch front light bar for nighttime visibility.
Raptor Off-Road Caravan.
The Raptor Off-Road Caravan is built for adventure, offering a complete living solution for long trips. Measuring 16.6 feet and extending to 22.6 feet, it sleeps up to 5 people comfortably. Inside, it features a kitchen, dining area, bathroom, and solar-powered energy supply of 420 watts. The durable, insulated aluminum build withstands extreme weather, while off-road tires and suspension ensure a smooth journey anywhere.
Back SRX Rear Window Guard.
The Back SRX is a protective frame for pickup truck rear windows, increasing safety and cargo capacity. Built from fully welded carbon steel with a powder-coated finish, it offers strength and a modern design. It shields the rear window from impacts without blocking brake lights and installs easily with a bolt and bracket system.
T-Rex Front Grille.
The T-Rex grille gives any vehicle a bold and aggressive appearance while improving front-end durability. Made from carbon and T304 stainless steel, it features a powder-coated finish and reinforced frame. The signature X-Metal badge adds flair but can be removed. It installs easily as a replacement or overlay without modifications.
Doyle Air and Vac Station.
The Doyle Air and Vac Station is a powerful multi-purpose wall-mounted system combining an air compressor, vacuum, and blower. It provides professional-grade cleaning and tire inflation at home or in a workshop. The long hose and multiple attachments handle both delicate and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, making it an all-in-one vehicle maintenance solution. The container. The Easy Utility Container is a durable 3-gallon fuel canister made from thick HDP plastic with an ABS lid. Its ergonomic design includes 3 handles for effortless carrying, while an anodized aluminum valve prevents leaks. A nitrile rubber gasket ensures extra protection, making fuel transfer safe and efficient.
STKR Concepts Magnetic Flashlight.
The STKR Concepts flashlight provides 200 lumens of brightness and attaches magnetically for hands-free use. Equipped with 10 advanced LEDs, it features multiple modes, including an emergency rear light. Its flexible frame allows it to bend into various positions, functioning as a spotlight, floodlight, or 360-degree illuminator.
Wash Stool.
The wash stool is a rolling work stool perfect for car washing or maintenance. Built with a sturdy metal frame supporting up to 350 pounds, it includes 3-inch rotating wheels for easy mobility. The detachable seat offers comfort, and a built-in 5-gallon bucket with a sand catcher and detergent holder keeps tools and cleaning supplies organized.
Mini Car Elevator.
The Mini Car Elevator is a compact lifting system supporting up to 3,300 pounds, designed for home or semi-professional use. It automatically locks at the desired height and includes safety clips. Operated by a cordless drill or wrench, it smoothly lifts the vehicle front or rear for easy maintenance. Protective windshield cover. This weather-resistant windshield protector prevents snow and ice buildup. The extended design shields wipers and nozzles, and magnets with suction cups keep it firmly in place. Windproof straps secure it during storms, and it fits SUVs, trucks, and minivans. When not in use, it folds into a compact zippered pouch. Dried 4K Dash Cam. The Dried 4K Dash Cam captures sharp 4K footage with a 140-degree wide lens. Its aluminum body dissipates heat efficiently, allowing it to function in temperatures up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Equipped with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and optional 4G LTE, it supports cloud uploads, motion detection, and real-time monitoring for added security.